Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of another MoonSwatch from Swatch Omega. My wife has just gotten back from Victoria, BC, where they had them all in stock, and she knows how much I like the last one, the Uranus watch. So she picked me up the Moon watch. So once again, you have some facts about the moon. There's all that. And it slides open. The box is exactly the same, so it's not exactly a storage box. And you can open it up. And again, it's got the ads for all the collection. The warranty card. The instruction booklet. And the MoonSwatch. Now this one has a black strap. And I'm noticing that this protective cover that's got on there has got some scratches. So I'm just going to peel that off and make sure that everything is okay with it. And it does look pretty good. So once again, let's start it up. Stop. Reset. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing of a Mission to the Moon MoonSwatch by Swatch and Omega. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.